Hey you guys, this is Black and Blue, and I don't know about you, but I'm ready to get into today's cash stuffing and unboxing. Let's go. This is Black and Blue, go ahead. What's the crime? An attempt to watch and not subscribe? Yep, that's a crime. Friends don't let friends watch and not subscribe. So, come on, let's get into the video. I am so excited. Of course, we have a cash stuffing today, but we do have a package that arrived today, and as well as a card. And I don't really know exactly who this is from, but I'm excited to open it. And I'm thinking it's someone from here because it says dripped by E. So that told me right there. I think this is from one of you guys. But we'll go ahead and get into these packages, and then we'll get into our cash stuffing video. We'll start with this mystery card. And it says it's from the Flowers family. And look at this really pretty washi tape. See, the fact that there's washi tape on here tells me it's from one of you guys as well. Ooh, oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, this is really pretty. This feels like it was made with love and care, not just like bought at the store. Oh my gosh, wait. Oh my gosh. It's written in white. I love that. Oh my goodness. January 2026. Dear Erica, she spelled my name right. Girlfriend. She said, thank you so much for all that you bring to the savings community. Aww. I love what you create. I have started to use what I ordered. Oh my gosh. She's so sweet. So she probably used... Girl, I see you. Oh, it's great quality. Thank you. I'm a big fan and will continue to watch your videos and hope to order again as soon as I can, or as soon as I'm able to. Light, love, and hugs. Oh, Tara! Tara! Oh my gosh, Tara. Tara did order, and she ordered again, and she left the sweetest note. Like, she has the sweetest, kindest notes on her orders. Tara, you are so sweet. It says, Erica, you can either cut the left side of the card to write a letter to a friend or keep this card whole. I'm totally keeping this whole. It says, made by me. Tara, you are so sweet, and this is gorgeous. Spread your wings and fly. Oh, so she's saying that I could cut this side and then use this to write like a card to somebody else. And it's gorgeous. And I'm loving the way you made this. But I'm going to keep this whole. I absolutely love this. Thank you, Tara. And thank you for watching my videos. You did say that in your note on your order. And I was like, seriously, reading your note, it's like, I love doing what I'm doing because of people like you. You remind me that I'm not the only one watching my own videos. Hey, that's amazing. You guys are so sweet. Thank you, Tara. We have and that was so unexpected. I appreciate you. That's such an amazing thing to just get from your mailbox when you're not expecting. Oh, thank you. Now this right here is from Noziska's Creations, and we are doing some of her savings challenges. I did do an unboxing from her shop, and she just had a sale go live, and I want to say, you know what? I'm just going to show you. Noziska, and I could be mispronouncing that. I wouldn't doubt it, but this is her shop. She has savings challenges. She has her own shop. I'll make sure I link it down below, so if you guys are interested and you haven't seen her shop yet, you can go check it out, see what she has in her shop. Where's my scissors? I know I just had scissors. I'm so excited because I saw what she released, and I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, she's so sweet. This is her card. I love these. Thank you. I love these. Noziska Creations. And these are her socials right here. You can take a screenshot. Oh, the lighting is lighting right now. Okay. Love. You guys can see. Wait, let's see if it clears up. Is it going to clear up? Hopefully this distance you can see everything. Yeah, she's on everything, y'all. Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, website. Her website's at the very top. Erica, thank you so much for inspiring me with this savings challenge and always cheering me on. Enjoy. Angelica. That's Noziska. That's her last name. Her and her husband's last name. Oh my gosh. She is so... Oh god, I can't wait for you guys to see this. If you haven't seen this, you're in for it. This is so cool. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. I just like the way it feels. That was ASMR. I'm just kidding. Okay. Oh, this is pretty. Look at that. Has her shop name at the bottom. Has a really pretty design on it. Love that dashboard. And that looks pretty over this. This is giving kind of like a sweater weather look. Wait, sweater weather, yeah. And then she's got the sweaters here. It says, well, I keep saying sweater, but you know, it's yarn and whatnot. But it says, hey, I'm going to whisper, Alexa, Echo, or Siri. I don't use Siri. But if you use any of these, that's kind of what this challenge is geared towards. And it says savings challenge. So cool. So each section, it has the numbers for a certain amount of envelopes. And it looks like this goes to, yep, it goes to 100. Yep, it goes to 100. So for each one, you can check off and you can ask, like I do in my challenges. I say, Alexa, pick a number between 1 and blank. So you can do the same thing. And when you ask for each envelope, you can check off. You can even put the number that Alexa tells you down here. That's probably what I would do. I would like put the number down here just so I know how much, what envelope I'm on and how much Alexa made us stuff for that envelope. She's a doozy. So I really like that. This is pretty cool. Thank you, girl, for sending this to me. It comes with the envelopes. It comes with the binder. This is awesome. So basically, it's a play on a 100 envelope challenge. Now, if you were to get this and you were like, I'm not trying to ask Alexa. I'm not trying to ask her. I don't want her involved. This is still a beautiful 100 envelope savings challenge. So if you were to keep it classic, you can always stuff $1, stuff $2, stuff $3. And when you stuff that amount, you still check it off and put it inside this envelope. So you're stuffing each one and putting 10 in each envelope. And then the next section, you're putting these envelopes amounts in this envelope. So that is really, really cute. And this is A5 size. Oh, look, I was about to put this in, but you guys know, y'all already know these little things are tricky and gotta play with them to get them off. So I'm not gonna do that just yet, but it goes in this envelope, or this binder, I mean, and it'll look just like this. Gorgeous. Thank you, girl. So I will have her link down below. So you guys want to go check out her shop and check out this challenge that she just released in her shop. You guys can go and do that. It is beautiful. I just love you can see the Alexa, the Echo. I call mine Echo, but whatever you call yours, this challenge is super fun. Love, love, love it. Thank you, girl, for sending this to me. You guys ready for this cash stuffing? I was about to forget what we were doing. I'm getting cold. My heat's off because it's so loud. I'm freezing. All right, let's get into this cash stuffing though. Thank you so much, Noziska. Thank you, Tara. You guys are so sweet. Let's see. I'm going to skip out on the fingertip moistener today. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 57, 50, 800, 20, 40, 60, 89, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1000, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1400, 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 1500. That's how much we're stuffing in this video. 1500. I'm so cold. I'm moving like at the speed of light because I'm so cold. Okay. Now, let's start with our bills. I am unstuffing the last 2 weeks of bills and what we stuffed. And then we are stuffing this set of bills. So actually, I may just let's go ahead. So my mortgage, my HOA, ComEd. These bills are going up. And then my gas. So these bills are going to my account where I will replace the money that is taken out automatically for bills, and anything that was covered by my credit card, it will go into my account to take place of those areas that need to be paid off, as well as just replacing in my account. So these are the bills that we are now stuffing for this go around. For my car loan, we're going to be stuffing $315. Did I grab 1, 2, 315? 1, 2, 3, 10, 15. And I'm stuffing half of the bills. This is for Friday. I'm a couple days late. Yeah. So next Friday, or this coming Friday, I will stuff the second half of these bills. My insurance, I'm stuffing 50, and I'm just saving up for my next 6 months of insurance. For subscriptions, I'm going to add 50. I really don't have that many subscriptions, but better safe than sorry, because Apple loves to throw those tricky little random charges that you know you don't owe. Yeah. Okay, so for my cell phone, Lord have mercy, we're adding in, it's not really 100, it's really, like, trying to math, it's really like 90, because my bill somehow went to 177. Don't know why, but I still have yet to figure it out, or attempt to figure it out, so that's on me. But I'm sure they're gonna tell me something like, oh, because this or that. Anyways, I forgot I was recording. I feel like I'm just talking on FaceTime. So internet, we are adding 50, and I'll be owing like 54 in my next, because the total is 104. And then my gym membership is 30 for me and my daughter. Perfect. And that will be it for the bills. Bills complete. Next up, we have our weekly wallet categories. So this is like how much I can spend throughout. And I try to spend less than I stuff. That's always like my goal, to stuff but spend less than that. So I do need to unstuff these categories, because these were for the last 2 weeks. Did I go grocery shopping? No, I still need to. However, some of this is coming out for, you know, food purchases that weren't necessarily groceries. So gas, I definitely just got gas. So that was useful. This was 45, but I only spent 30, crap, I forgot now, around 38. And then my daughter, her envelope, and then my envelope. Oil change. I don't want to talk about it, y'all. I know I need to get oil change, and I still haven't yet, but I got the money. I need to just go, and maybe I'll do that today. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 miscellaneous. Okay, so all of this is going back to the bank. Yes, yes. And not having flowers or anything right here does open up lots of space. Kind of cool. So let's go ahead and get to stuffing. This is going, like I said, the things that came out of that I used my credit card for, this will be taking place of paying my credit card off, because I used credit cards like I normally do, but I still stuff the money so I can see how much I have to spend, and it just motivates me to try and spend less. So that's why I do that. May not make sense to you, but it makes sense to me. Okay? Okay. So groceries, I do need to go grocery shopping. So we're going to do 200 in groceries. And then, yeah, honestly, this should be like 350, but I don't need to, I keep saying this like almost every video that I do this, but I'm gluten-free, so I eat certain things, and I have a very small window of things that I eat, versus my daughter, who I have half the week. So I have groceries for her, I have groceries for me. I go through my groceries a little slower, and my daughter, she buys kind of as she wants, because she's only here half the week, so works for us. All right, so for gas, I just got gas. I won't need gas. My daughter, I'm going to stuff another 20 in here. That just reminded me. She ordered something off of Etsy, and I need to go ahead and help her with that. So for me, I'm going to do 50. Can't think of anything I would need right now, but I did actually, you guys, I never tell you guys really what I spend my money on. Like when I stuff my envelope, I stuff $100 for every 2 weeks, and I didn't tell you guys what I spent my money on, but I spent my money this past on Medicube. I bought Medicube, the facial stuff. Please let me know down below if you guys are using it. I feel like everyone at this point is using it. I don't know, but so far today is day 2 that I've used it, and I love it so far. I don't know. I love skincare, period, but so far I love the face wash. Let me know if you guys use it and if you like it. But that's what I spent my money on, if you were wondering. And then my oil change, I already have the money stuffed for that. And then miscellaneous, I'm adding 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Because miscellaneous, I like to just have up front and ready. 100 it is. So for the 2 weeks, hopefully I don't have to go over and use that. But sometimes if I overspend in groceries, or I overspend on me or me and my daughter, whatever we need, then it comes from miscellaneous. If I spend over that amount, then it comes from my savings. You guys don't really see me pull from my long-term binder, but if I do, it comes from there if I overspend, because sometimes things pop up and you didn't have enough money for it or save for it. So that's where that comes in handy. Let's see how much we're moving over to our savings challenge video. We have, and savings challenge video will be on Wednesday. So we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 400, 10, 20, 30, 40, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95, 500, 5, 10, 15, 25, 35, 45. So 545 is how much is going to our savings challenges. And then this is what's going to our bank to take place of what was taken out from my credit card. Perfect. Okay. And you guys know I have a small business. This is something that maybe newer people don't know, so I'm just going to run through really quick. I'm going to count this so we can see how much is going back. Now, when I say going back to the bank, sometimes that money will physically go back to the bank and sometimes it won't. And this is, for example, why it won't. 1, bad weather. 2, I have really nice bills and I want to hold on to those nice bills because I am a freak about nice bills. What happens is I get paid every single day from my small businesses. Now that money goes straight to my account. If, say, perhaps this is $500, it's not, but say this is $500 and I just got paid $1,000 today in my account from my small business. What happens is I'll say, okay, 500 was supposed to go to the bank, but instead of taking it, I'm going to keep it here at my house. And then that 500, part of my 1,000 that I got today, that 500 I need for this will go towards my credit card or my buffer, wherever it needed to go. It's already in my account. So I'm going to take place and swap it, make that money do what it needs to do, and then hold on to this as if, you know, hopefully that makes sense. Let me know if you guys know what I'm saying, if that makes sense to you. It makes so much sense to me because I'm the one doing it, but I don't know if I'm explaining it right. But let me know if you guys understand that. So let's go ahead and count how much is going back to the bank. It could be. It did snow today. I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000. 1, 52, 53, 54, 55, 5600. Whoa, we got a lot of 50s. 600, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40, 60, 88, 20, 40, 60, 89, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2,000. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 5, 10, 210. So $2,210. Yo, that's a lot. Perfect. Going back to the bank. And this is going to our savings challenges. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. I appreciate you guys. Noziska, go check out her website. Let me know what you guys think of her website. She has a lot of cute stuff on there. And then thank you, Tara. All right, I'm out of here. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and hit the like button because it helps my channel and I appreciate you for it. Thank you. I'm out of here. Bye.